is Mark. We are streaming live here at the Main Place Mall, covering SAUSD School Choice event. So, let's walk around and visit some school booths and see what they have to offer. Huh? Why me? Seems like there's nothing going on over there.
Try a challenge?
Yeah?
You can try a challenge right here. Get some of your friends to play. Are you guys all from Hoover? Oh my goodness.
There's a challenge right here. I don't know what it is, but it seems like a magnet challenge. That's what I'm guessing. With negative energy. That's what I'm guessing. Let's see what's going on here. And this booth, by the way, is Martin Elementary. See, I'm good.
So for this, you need a challenge. You have a challenger with you?
I'm challenging.
Okay. Well, you need someone to play against with. Okay. So you have to call it for a day, okay? Because as you can see, these are magnets, right?
Yeah, they're giving negative energy, I'm guessing.
Yes. How does you score? Okay. So you got to use the force that the magnet has,
The force.
and you got to use it to go to the finish line.
Got it.
The winner gets a prize.
All right.
Okay. Ready? Set. Go.
Yes.
Nice job.
Thank you. Huh?
Here we go. We're gonna visit all the booths.
Alright, so this booth, I'm guessing. Oh, it's Madison. I've actually been here before. Oh, neat. I've actually been to this school before. Alright. So, let's see. Which one is this? I'm good. No, I'm in media club. Right now I'm just checking out all the booths and seeing what they have to offer. All of them are. Sure.
Yeah, all of you guys want candy.
Thank you.
Yes, grab candy. I know you're gonna need the energy.
Actually,
Hey guys, walk on. You guys want some candy?
seems like they had to offer it seems like they had to offer candy.